In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a guest a presenter in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the calendar. Find and join the meeting where the guest is attending. You can join from your calendar entry or from the meeting link just as you normally would. A quick tip: only meeting organizers or those given appropriate permissions can promote attendees, so make sure you have the right role before proceeding. Once you're in the meeting, open the People panel by clicking the People icon at the top of your screen. This icon looks like two people standing together and will open a sidebar on the right. The People panel is where you can see everyone who has joined, along with their current roles and status. Give the list a moment to populate if participants are still joining. In the sidebar, look under the Attendees heading and scroll through the list of names to find the guest you want to promote. Guests are usually labeled or shown in the list like any other participant. If the meeting is large, you can scroll carefully to locate the person. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct attendee, especially if multiple guests have similar names. When you found the right person, move your cursor to the right of their name and click the More Options icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. If you're using a touch device, tap the area beside the name to reveal the Options menu. This menu gives you control over an individual's role and permissions during the meeting. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose the Make a Presenter option. Selecting this changes their role so they can share their screen, present content, and use presenter tools. Remember that presenters have more privileges than attendees, so only promote people who need these capabilities. After selecting Make a Presenter, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to change their status. Confirm the change by selecting Change. The attendee will immediately receive presenter permissions, and you may see their role update in the People panel. If you later need to revert their role, you can use the same menu to switch them back to attendee. That's it. A few simple clicks and your guest is ready to present. Thanks for watching, and if this walkthrough helped, please subscribe and like the video for more clear, practical tips.